Welcome to the tutorial from Fabonic on how to add a cell in our Fabonic system. So after login, I'm going to choose a transaction menu. So I'm clicking here and then I'm choosing a cells, which is a sub menu where I'm going to do my cells here. There are different options, but essential one is search customer name, and second one is search product or service. So I'm going to write the customer name I'm selling to, if it is existing to the system. So example customer, yeah. But if the customer is new, I don't have his name, I'm going to write example customer, new customer, charge type will leave retail, then submit. You can see the customer name was appeared. I'm going to search. The second one is a product name, so I can change the customer whenever I want. The second step is to choose a product. Here is where I can write the product name. See example product, I have entered it. It appeared. I can change. So if I want to add another product, let's say the customer is purchasing maybe 2 items. Let me enter the second product. The second product will be laptop. So 2 items. I can change location, I can change sales price, I can change unit quantity of selling depending on what I want. So you can see I can choose units, price type, quantity by default is 1, but I can change it. So let's say I want 5 and here I want 3. If I want to change selling price, I can change it from here. If I want to provide a discount, I'll provide it in this column in amount, but if in percent, the checkbox for discount percent should be checked, so that the value which I'm going to provide here will be termed as a percent. But if I leave it here like this, it will be termed as amount, because the checkbox in discount percent is off, it is unchecked. So if you want percent, I'll check this, so it will be termed as 1%. So I don't want discount right now, so I'm going to remove this. Then I'm going to save my cell, then hit OK. So if I want to see the list of other services previously sales all, I can see it from here. You can see I only have 1 sales till now, but I can change according to date, location, and who made it. If I want to see the product on each cell, I can see it. You can see that they are shown in red color. If I want to view the cell to edit or to delete, I can use that. So I want to edit, then save in order for changes to be saved. You can see the quantity has changed to that one if I want to. So let me go back to that is to approve. So let me go to previous sales, all sales. I want to provide payment details. These are just icon to print that sales in a PDF format. So if I want to provide payment details for that sale, let's say let's say I want to provide how much the customer has paid. Here I'm supposed to write receiving cash, what the cash will be heading to, description of that sales, if any. If you don't have any description, you can leave it empty. The amount that have been paid, I'm going to write this amount, then I'm going to save. When coming back to the money icon, when I click it, it will show that amount paid is that and the due amount is that. So you can make payment for more in more than one time. So that all in sales.